The next kata is called Saka Otoshi. So with this kata, the attacker comes in from Jodan Uke. I step in and I receive his attack as in Bojutsu Jodan Uke in the same manner. But as the weapon is coming up, as I move forward, it comes down, striking to the head here, and I pull my left foot back as it continues its natural path and momentum. So again, very slowly as I explained, Munen Muso no Kamae. I advance in, receiving as in Jodan no Kamae, but one hand, and then from here coming down, striking to the head as I clear this back, like this. Arigatou gozaimasu. This is Saka Otoshi.